Hello friends, myself Mr. Minal R. Patel, working as a lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department from Vallabhbhuti Polytechnic, Navsari. Today I will discuss about turning and chamfering operations which are performed on lathe machine. We have seen fishing operation in previous lecture. Today we are going to see turning operation. Here three figures are given, in which second figure is to be considered for turning operation. Here we have to make this job. The total dimension of the job is 30 plus 10 plus 30 plus 10 plus 30 means 110 mm, and we require major diameter of 36 mm. First of all, mount the job in a chuck and measure the dimension of our job. It's 38. Now we require 36 mm. So material of 2 mm should be removed from the entire job. We can measure dimension with the help of gauge, vernier caliper or scale. As we have seen in fishing operation, take the center for turning operation 2. First of all, ensure that chuck is not digging. Here you can see turning operation. Our job material is mild steel and tool material is high speed steel. With the help of carriage, we can move the tool in Z direction with respect to job. Here we are rotating spindle at high speed because we are taking small cut. If much material is to be removed, then we can take higher cut. If we take depth of cut higher, then it is called rough turning. After rough turning, we have to take small cut and it's called finish turning. In finish turning, spindle is rotated at high speed and tool moves slowly on the job. Here turning of one side is done. You can see one side of the job is ready. Measure the dimension. If it is larger, then take another cut. Now it is 35, so take another cut. After taking another cut, mount the job in a chuck on other side. Fit the job tightly in a chuck. And do the turning operation in the same way as on first side. Here you can see long chips are formed which are collected in a tray which is mounted below the chuck. Here you can see turning operation. You have to remove all the material from the job. Here you have to take care of that tool is not touching the chuck, otherwise accident may be occurs. Here all the materials from the entire job is removed. All the surface material is removed. Stop the lathe machine and check the dimension again. Here you can see we require 36 major diameter and on both sides we require 34 mm. Here we have marking at 30 mm. So we have to make dimension of 34 mm up to length 30 mm. Here we are performing turning operation again. Tool is moving here in Z direction. Move the tool up to the marked line. When marked line reach, then stop the machine and check the dimension. It's 34.5 mm. So we are taking another cut. We have to make exact 34 mm diameter. Now check the dimension. It's 34 mm. Okay, it's 34 mm. Now perform the same operation on other side, but before performing turning operation on second side, we have to perform chamfering operation on this side. This operation is called chamfering. Now do the same operation on second side up to length 30 mm, because we have to make threads on both sides. On one side we have to make square thread, and on another side we have to make square thread and V thread. One side we have to make square thread and other side we have to make V thread. So first of all, mark the length of 30 mm on other side. You can use marker or chalk for marking. Now with the help of tool, mark the line of 30 mm distance. Our marking is done here. So perform the same operation which we have done on one side. It's turning operation on second side. We are taking rough cut. Take the rough cut up to the marked line. After reaching at marked line, stop the machine and check the dimension. It's somewhat higher than required size, so take another cut. Here we are taking finishing cut. Here tool moves in Z direction with the help of carriage. After reaching at marking, stop the machine and measure the dimension once again. It's 34 mm. So as we have performed chamfering operation on one side, perform the same operation on other side. After taking appropriate angle of tool, do the chamfering. Here chamfering is done.